In this video, you will learn about the dispensing of medicine in a pharmacy. Dispensing medicine in a pharmacy involves several important steps to ensure accuracy and patient safety. Here is a general guide on how to dispense medicine in a pharmacy. Number 1. Receive prescription. Number 2. Verify prescription information. Number 3. Assess allergies and drug interactions. Number 4. Enter prescription into the pharmacy system. Number 5. Prepare medication. Number 6. Quality assurance. Number 7. Counselling and patient education. Number 8. Document the dispensing process. Number 9. Securely package medication. Number 10. Final verification. Number 11. Collect payment. And number 12. Maintain patient privacy. Message: always consult with a pharmacist or other qualified healthcare professional if you have specific questions or concerns. Thanks.